Hi there, this is Ben with Easy Mode Media, the solar marketing specialist. Now, a quick video today about calling your potential customers or current customers for solar installations. Like, how can you do that? Well, there's some fantastic software out there. I'm going to be talking about Kixie today. I've used several of these calling software programs, 5 or 6 for my own business, and Kixie is by far the best. Now, the reason why I find it the best is you get an automated presence dialer. So what that is whenever you make a call, the software will automatically kind of attribute a local phone number to your call. So when you call, you show up on that customer's phone as, being local, right? If you're cold calling, this is especially important because you don't want to be coming up, your phone number coming up from somewhere across the country or internationally or something like that. If you call internationally, this is fantastic. If you call long distance, this is also really, really useful. One other thing that Kixie does really, really well is what's called the Kixie Connection Boost. And this basically means that Kixie only uses real phone numbers, so they show up as verified numbers. They don't come up as scam likely. Like if you get lots of scam calls on your own phone, you may have seen this come up. Like it, no one's going to answer that call, right? And this is actually quite common in the cold calling, the calling industry. And this is why this software kind of does so well, that it does have those real phone numbers, and everything's kind of approved and compliant, right? Which is huge for just making sure that you're not spamming people. Another great feature of Kixie is the automation. So you can automate SMSs and potentially calls to basically what's called improve your speed to lead. So speed to lead is once a customer kind of gets in touch with you, how long does it take you to get in touch with them, to call them or email? That's your speed to lead. And typically, if your speed to lead is anything more than an hour, your close rates, your conversion rates are going to significantly hurt. So with Kixie, you can reach out to them and you can make that connection, right? So it's pretty easy to sign up with Kixie. You just go click the link below in the description of this video. You can sign up for a free trial and get started. And yeah, you'll see why I love Kixie so much. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video about Kixie and automated dialing software.